welcome back to Deja Lachey's channel, and today we're doing a makeup tutorial, and it's beginner friendly because I'm still a beginner, but stay tuned. So first I start with some primer, and I use Ruby Kiss, which I got it from Target because that's where I get all my makeup products from. And I'm a beginner, so I was just figuring out things that I felt like was best for me. So I feel like the poreless primer is best. And after that, I go into with doing my eyebrows, and I just do a simple look on my eyebrows. I don't do too much. Next, I go around with my concealer around my eyebrows. I do my darker concealer when it's springtime and when it gets a little warmer out, so it don't look too bright like when I use in the winter. So I use that on the bottom layer, and then I put some on the top too. I put dots on the top. Next, I go in to blend it all in, and I put it on my eyelids as well, just so it gives it a full look. I don't use eyeshadow too much because I'm not a really eyeshadow girl yet, so I just use my concealer around my eyes. I like to blend with the brush first, and then I like to go in with the sponge at every step I do as well. You'll notice throughout the video. It just gives it a more smoother look, and it makes it look more actually like your makeup is being done, in my opinion. Next, I go in with my foundation, and I put it on my hand first, and then I use the brush and put it on, so I don't put too much on my face. I used to do it a different way, but I wanted to do it more simpler way because I don't want to put too much on me. So I feel like that's the best way to do it. For my foundation, I apply it with the brush, and then I blend it in with the sponge. And if you're wondering why I'm doing the voiceover, it's because I listen to music when I do my makeup, and I have the best results when I listen to music. Another useful tip is when you do the foundation, avoid under your eyes because that's where the concealer goes next, which we're about to do now. The more you practice, the better you get, because if you think of it, it's just layering it the correct way and blending it in the correct way. That's what I learned from learning how to do my makeup. Next, you go in with the contour, and I go around the edges of like my face basically. And one thing also, do not blend everything in until it dries out a little bit, because it gives you the better results as well. After it dries, that's when I blend in with the brush first. And if it's your first time doing makeup, don't think because it's your first time you're gonna always do bad. You get better as you continue to practice it. I noticed that. Next, I do a little trick where I do setting spray to help me blend in more, because I know it dries out a little. It just helps it get a little more wetter. Then that's when I go in and blend everything in with my sponge. Like I say, I always do the brush first, and then I do my sponge with blending. After blending that all in, that's when I go in with my brighter concealer for only the inner eye. And I blend it in, but my camera died after this, so I didn't get to show you where I put the setting powder and how I do my inner eye blending. But then after that, I apply my lashes, and here's the finishing look after I take my curls out. Learning how to do your makeup makes you feel so much more confident because you don't have to wait on anybody to do your makeup. You can always do it whenever you please. And I definitely recommend it for everyone. COVID made me learn, and I'm forever grateful, because if I didn't start in COVID, I wouldn't be as good as I am now. And now it's just getting better and better. I learn something new every time I do it. And here's the finishing look. Hope my video was helpful, and don't fear to contact me in the comment section. But anyways, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.